Hi, Richard. Alright, here's the template that we made up for the drainage holes. Alright, basically this is the outside of the window. You just hang it over the outside lip, and there's 4 holes here that you can kind of see where they would go in. And I'm going to send you this piece as well too. So, you hang it over the outside lip, you get your distance, whatever the gap is, and use this drill bit that I'm going to send you. Drill 4 holes, and you're just going through the outer layer. You got 4 holes, and you just take the drill bit and you open them up and go from one to the next. Once you drill them out, you clean it out, and then you have these I'm going to send you that pop in there and cover up the holes. Okay, and I'm going to send you this drill bit too, because you don't want to go any bigger than that. And then you just might have to clean it out a little bit. And notice that, if you can see that here, all you really need to do is get through this outer layer. If you go to the next layer, that's okay, because you got 2-3 more layers until you get into the steel space. So even if you go into the next layer, that's going to be okay too. Alright, now we're going to look at the hole that we want to drill going up in here. So basically you want to drill that hole like this. So I'm going to tilt this over. Rotate over. Make sure you actually have a view of that. Okay. And then you're going to use the same drill bit first. You're going to use a small drill bit. And you can see that the angle that you want, basically you're almost going to tilt it almost all the way up, and you're going to bring it a little bit back. Close to that. And then you take a slightly bigger bit. I would say a 5/16 or a 1/4 inch. Stick that in there, and that's it. Now the thing with PVC and drilling this is, as soon as that drill bit catches the PVC, it's going to want to pull it straight through. So you want to be careful that, you know, as you let the weight of the drill work the drill bit, you almost want to kind of pull back, because I'm going to show you what you don't want to do is have this happen and the drill bit catch and come out. That's obviously not something that you don't want to have happen. So I would say open it up with this bit first, and then as you're reaming it out with a 5/16 bit, just be aware that as soon as the drill bit goes through, it kind of wants to spread itself all the way through. I mean, you'd really have to stay on the trigger for quite a while to do what I just did here and come through on the outside there. Okay, and I would do 3 holes on the inside. So you drill it out with this first, and then I would just go to a 1/4 inch or a 5/16, put 3 holes there. And you drill those 4 holes on the outside there, and then you ream them out. Now you want to offset them. You don't want the outside holes, even with the inside holes, you want to offset them a little bit, so if air does come in, it has to kind of go around the corner a little bit. Okay. And that's basically it. I'm going to put this video on YouTube. And just once again, the template, all it really does is, if you open the window where the gasket is, you just kind of hang it over, and then, you know, equally space it on either side. You drill your 4 holes. Once you have your 4 holes, you kind of ream them out sideways. And this goes in here, which yours is going to be brown because you got mahogany windows, and that covers that up. Alrighty, I'm going to stick that in a box along with a cutoff, so you can kind of see the side of our extrusion with drill bits and everything else. And then I will send you an email. And I'm going to go put it in the mailbox today. Thanks.